Welcome back to Fishing with Vance. Well, it's a nice cloudy morning here, end of July, and I'm very late getting to the lake. I slept in, but it's gonna be a cloud covered day, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a shot. The fishing here has been relatively slow compared to what it was. I see some topwater activity out there. I might try my topwater technique of just throwing a worm on and bringing it across, but we'll see. I just want to catch some bass. I did bring the Ozark rig today. Here it is here. Have it rigged up on beaver style bait. This one's having to be made by Paul Crew, but we'll see. So far I haven't really done very well with it, but I haven't given it an honest effort. So today I'm going to throw that Ozark rig in and around the weeds and see if I can't catch a few. So I'll let you know what I think of the Ozark rig. Bought a few just to give it a shot. So let's get this thing in the water. Let's get some bass here. Summer bass fishing in the swamp. Thanks for coming along today on Fishing with Vance. Something I don't normally do. I have a weightless senko on here and red shad laminate. And even though I slept in, I thought, oh, I saw all the clouds when I got out of bed, and I thought, let me give it a shot. Now, the last time I was here, I caught a nice big fish over there. Kind of plopped it into the middle of his weed bed, and he housed it. So fishing has been tough here. It is end of July and July 22nd. Happy birthday to my dad. It was yesterday. He would have been, he'd have been in his 90s. But anyway, happy birthday to my main man. He was the original Indians fan. That's why I wear the Indian hat all the time. He loved baseball, and he really loved watching the Indians. That was his thing. Because when he was a kid, I guess he used to go up to Cleveland and watch. In those days, they were known as the Tribe. So anyway, that's why I wear the Indian hat. One thing about this senko, you can throw it a long way. I think I got a fish on here. Yeah, I threw it a country mile down there. Oh yeah, it's a good one too. All right, partner. Feels like a monster on this light tackle, light rod. I'll take it. Way to get me off. Hey, to get the skunk off the boat there, buddy. Love it. He's not a horse, but he felt like it on that light rod. I'll take it. No batteries in my scale. I don't need to really weigh him. And I gotta get a measuring thing on here. I'll estimate him at, he's probably maybe about 15 inches. But he was fun. Alright. Bass number one. Alright, he hit the weightless senko. Red shad laminate. Alright, buddy. See you later. Alright. Skunk's off the boat. Tried something different. It worked. Oh, he scared me. I got him. He scared me. I was running it across the middle and he scared the crap out of me. Oh man. He smoked it right out here in the middle. I hope I got that on camera. Look at that guy, little dude. He got after it. Alright, buddy. That was cool. I was bringing it back to teach me again. Don't just reel it back in. You gotta be patient. Bring it across, roll it in. Sometimes they hit the movement. Oh man, that was cool. He scared the crap out of me. I think that worm's toast. Let's put on the new senko. Got it. You got it. Finally worked. He come up and smacked it the first time. And he missed it. I stayed patient and he came and got it again. Get in there, buddy. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Oh man, that's fun. Yeah, well, he got it good. He got it real good. Oh, that's a nice chunky boy. Yeah, that's how it works. I threw it over there. I popped it over top of that, and he come the first time. I just stayed still, hit it again. The second time he got it good. Oh man, I hope I got good footage of that. It was fun. The Weightless senko. Like I said, I don't have my scale today. He's probably 1 3/4. He's not quite 2. He's a nice fish. Nice fish. Get a quick pick of him, get him back. All right, buddy, you made it worthwhile coming over here. Yes, sir. I was just about to change tactics, and you said not so fast. Here we go, buddy. There it was, weightless senko, popping it over the top. He blasted it. That's bass number 4, but that's the first one like that. I'm gonna guess he's not quite 2 pounds. He's probably 1.5 pounds to 1.75. Beautiful fish, though. I don't know. I used to have a measuring thing on here. I gotta put one back. Put that on my to-do list. All right, partner. Let me get you back. See you, we'll release you over here. Less weeds. That was fun. Yeah. That was cool. Oh man, I love to catch them that way. That was awesome. And so, lesson learned. Catch a nice fish like that, check your line. It's frayed, retie it. Otherwise, the next one's gonna break your heart. All right. Since I caught one like that, I'm gonna go to a little bigger worm doing the same thing. The weightless senko definitely worked, but I'm going to go with a little bigger worm. I'm going to throw ox blood, or depending on the company, PB&J. I don't go with ox blood, basically purple and brown. He got it. My man was up there. He's not monstrous, but he got a ton of weeds on him. Boy, he's head shaking nice. Real nice. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Yes, sir. He was right up shallow, right at that point. A weightless worm. Oh boy, this is my best fish. This is a good one. Easy, partner. I don't have my scale today, so I'm gonna have to estimate them. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at that toad. That is a beauty. That is a beautiful bass right there. Yeah, I don't know how long he is, but he's definitely, he might be a 3. I don't have my scale, but let me see if I can get it to work. Oh, settle down, partner. Yeah, he's all of 18 inches. Oh, what a fish. Oh man, I'm glad I came today. Fishing with ants. I'll try to measure him the same way I did the other ones when I get home. So we'll go top of the little barcode. He's down to the second bar. We'll measure him when I get home. I'm gonna guess he's about 18 inches, but let's get the release. See you, partner. Fishing with Vance. Weightless worm has done the job again. It's a blast catching this way. If you haven't done it, give it a shot. Alright guys, let me show you what I'm using. And let me check my line. It was a pretty nice fish. It's fine. Okay, so I just have on ox blood or PB&J, whatever we want to call it, worm. And I'm going to switch this one because it's beat up a little bit. Try to use it one more time. Nah, I'm not. It's kind of beat up. Something you can do to extend the life of your worm. It just bite the end off of it, and that way you have a fresh top. And then if you don't want to just switch the worm out, sometimes I do that. And this will catch a little bit more weeds because it's flat now, but it still extends the life of the worm a little bit, because now instead of hooking it here, you're hooking it down a little lower. You might get a few more casts out of it. So we'll try a couple more and then we'll get it out of here. But that's all I'm doing. It's weightless. I don't even have any. I usually have split shots. I'm a mojo rig fisherman a lot. And this is weightless. So I'm just throwing it on top of any weed bed, and then or weeds, not a weed bed, but just weeds, and just popping it on the top of them. And when it clears the weeds, I'll just let it slowly flutter down, and it has worked today. Oh, he called for a fair catch on that one, and he missed it. Oh, you telling me I broke off? No, I did not. Alright, I feel a little better. Oh my gosh, he broke the hook. He broke the hook. Bent the hook, broke it. He hit that almost, you guys saw that, he almost called for a fair catch on that one. Oh man, and he broke my hook. That was a good one. You saw it. Oh man, hard to believe that he broke the hook, because I didn't really struggle to get that out of the last fish. It just it actually popped right out. So we'll retie. I'm sure it's a spam call. It is. Come on now, stop that. So I'll retie it. Oh man, missed him. That was a good one, obviously. He's back there waiting on me, and I served it up to him. He called for the fair catch and then broke it. Alright, that's fishing. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I caught all the fish today with a weightless worm, both a senko and a KVD 6.5 finesse worm. The others were caught on a all in a senko, red shad laminate was the color. So pretty much the same color, just two different types of worms, but they both worked. Weightless. I couldn't get anything else. But I had a blast. I ended up catching half dozen of them, and I missed a couple. One of them there just broke my hook off. That's a first I can remember. But they were all fun. On this cloudy day, I got a late start. I'm sure glad I came. And the fish kept hitting pretty much all day. But I think I'm gonna pretty much call it a day here. If I catch one more, I'll put it in, and I'll change 6 to 7. But I'm gonna try that point over there. I've caught them off that point before, right on, throwing them on the weed line and then edging it toward that point. So we'll see if I can't get another one over there, and then I'm gonna call it a day. But if you haven't tried this weightless worm fishing, and you can throw it top water, and you can throw it and then let it obviously slowly sink. It's sort of a dual threat, and it is super fun whenever they do hit it top water. Caught a few that way today where they just come up and blasted it, and it was a lot of fun. So give it a shot. A weightless worm top water. It's my new favorite way of getting them, honestly, here at the swamp. But if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. And hey, hit that subscribe, hit the like button. I'm really on that push for 1 million views. I'm getting there. It's going to be close. I'm going to have a nice celebration video, 1 million views whenever it comes out, and whenever I hit the number. So it won't be long now, maybe another month, I think. But you can help me get there by sharing, hitting like, all that stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Yup, somebody is. I got him. Yep, he was up there. I was looking at the spy plane above. Yeah, a horse, but I will take it. Yes, he was right on the other side. Again, the weightless worm. Oh, easy partner, easy partner. The weightless worm did the job. There it is. Well, you're all caught in there, pal. Here we go. There he is. Well, he's a little football guy. He's short, but he's chubby. Kind of like me. Alright. So now, I do have to splice in. This is bass number 7. He was just on the other side. He hit the ox blood. There he is. He's definitely £1.5 guy, for sure. He's thick. Oh, man. Well, guys, I did catch bass number 7 right over there on that point, like I said I was going to try. So here he is. It was great. Ended up with 7. I'll probably call it now and head home. But 7 bass, all between, mostly between £1.5 and 3. Typical here at one of my favorite places to fish, the swamp. So thanks for coming along. I mean it this time. I'm calling it. I'll see you in the next one on Fishing with Vance. Thanks for watching.